Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a smart email follow-up with ActiveCampaign. This automation will help you send personalized emails based on whether your contacts open your messages or not, making your follow-ups more targeted and effective. First, head over to ActiveCampaign.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the left side menu and find the automation option. Click on it to access your automation dashboard. Now click on Create an Automation, and when the options appear, select Start from Scratch. This gives you a clean slate to build your smart follow-up sequence. You'll want to give your automation a clear name so you can find it easily later. Just click on the name field, edit it to something like Smart Email Follow-up, and click Save. Now we're ready to build the actual automation. Let's start by adding the trigger that kicks everything off. Click Add Start Trigger and choose Opens/Reads Email. This trigger fires when someone opens a specific email you've sent. Select the specific email that should start this flow, your first email. Set the options to run once if you only want contacts to enter this automation one time, or allow repeats if you want them to re-enter each time they open that email. Click Add Start to confirm. Now click the plus sign below the trigger, choose Send an Email, and pick or create the template for your first follow-up email. Something like, "We saw your interest message," save it. Right after this email, add a waiting time by clicking the plus again and selecting Wait. Set it to 1 day. This gives your contact time to receive and potentially open the email. Here's where the smart part comes in. Click the plus under the wait action and choose if/else. This creates a decision point based on contact behavior. Configure the condition to check if contacts match these conditions and set it to has opened first email in the last 3 days. This splits your automation into 2 branches, yes and no. Let's build the yes path first for engaged contacts. Click the plus on the yes path and choose Send an Email. Select your ready-to-buy email template, the one with your offer or call to action. After this email, click the plus again and choose Contacts, then add tag and enter high interest. This tags people who are clearly engaged with your emails. Now add a wait action and set it to 3 days. After the wait, add another Send an Email action and select your additional reminders template. You can optionally add another 3-day wait here, then finish this branch by adding End this automation. Now let's set up the no path for contacts who didn't open the first email. Click the plus on the no path and add a wait action. Set this to 3 days to give them some breathing room. After the wait, add Send an Email and choose your win back template, something designed to re-engage them. Click the plus under that email and choose Contacts, then add tag and enter low interest. This helps you track contacts who aren't as engaged. Add another wait action and set it to 5 days. We're using a longer gap here because these contacts have shown lower intent. Next, add Send an Email and choose your value email letter template. This should be an educational or content-focused email that provides value without pushing for a sale. If you see a message saying an address is needed in order to send this email, open that email template and add your business address block in the footer. ActiveCampaign requires a physical address for all campaign emails. You can optionally add one more wait action here, set to 7 days, to give a final buffer before the automation completes. Finally, add End this automation to close out the no path. And there you have it, a fully smart email follow-up automation that adapts based on how your contacts interact with your emails. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.